What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Guys, look at my passion twist. So gross, dude. Like, I've had these in for, I don't even know, I want to say like 3-4 weeks probably at this point, and was not feeling it. I had to be somewhere the day before this, or the day after this video was recorded, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I'm going to refresh these. Look at my face. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so here I am showing you what the hair looks like after I washed my passion twist. And if you can't notice a difference, I sure the heck can. I had dandruff, I had buildup, and y'all, I was not taking these out. So yeah, feeling good. Alright guys, so here I am using castor oil, and it's in an old oil bottle. I just refilled it with castor oil to oil my scalp, just to make sure my scalp and my roots are super moisturized. Guys, it's so clean. I'm loving it. It just made my scalp feel so good. And also too, I had to bend over so I could let the oil run throughout my hair and get the back and all of that. So that's what I'm doing here. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you how I refresh my twist. I have to be somewhere tomorrow. My hair is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I'm not going to take these out because I don't have time for that, obviously. But I will be refreshing these. I already tried a couple right here, and I'll show you guys how. Thanks to this TikToker, I don't remember her name, but I will put her TikTok somewhere around here. Thank you for that video, because I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and the day's just been going. I just been really busy. We are going to tighten our roots and get it looking somewhat good. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle. I'm going to use my eco styling gel. Let me show you guys a trick. So I am going to take one of my passion twists. I'm going to put some gel. Around my box. Okay. And what I'm going to do, look how easy this is. So what I'm going to do is take my crochet needle. I'm going to stick it through my little box here. I'm going to take the end of my passion twist, hook it on. Hope you guys can see. Hook it on like that. Close the crochet needle, and I'm going to pull it through my box. And I'm going to do that twice. So here it is through once, and you can already tell it's looking good, right? So I'm going to do that one more time. I don't know like what this actually does, or like how this works, but it works. And I'm going to do it one more time. And look at that. Looks a lot better, right? So I'm gonna go through and do this to the rest of my hair, and once I'm done, I will come back and show you guys the end result. Stay tuned for the next clip. Alright guys, so I wanted to come back. I'm whispering because my daughter, it's her bedtime, but she's not asleep. But I'm whispering because I don't want her to hear my voice. But look at that. Can you believe it looks like I literally just redid these, and I just did like this whole section because I wasn't planning on redoing my whole head. I don't have time for that. And all I did was literally crochet what I already have in through my box here, my parted boxes, twice. And this is how it came out. And it literally took me 30 minutes. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go through, and where I have like these little frizzies, I'm just gonna go back and just retwist them real quick. My go-to style right now is just having these like pinned up like this, just because it's just an easy style for me. I rarely, actually I don't ever wear them down. I'm just gonna have them pinned up. Such a time saver. Like I'm in shock. Like as I was doing them, I was like, oh my gosh, like it's working. I'm loving it. Thank you so much to that creator. Like if it wasn't for you, I was like researching everywhere trying to figure out how I was going to refresh my passion twist, and this was literally the easiest technique that I could find, and it worked. So I'm just going to go through and retwist these, and I'll be back with the finishing touch. Alright guys, so I am done. See that? Look how clean those parts are. They're so clean, y'all. So clean. I just did like this section here, and it was so easy. And I just went through and retwisted some of my hair that was sticking out through the passion twist. And I'll show you guys the back. Here's the back. You guys can see that. Here's the back. So tomorrow I'll be wearing it like this. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how to do that because it's so easy and very convenient, especially if you're in a rush like me. Excuse the face. Yeah, it's like after 11. So I'm gonna go to bed and get myself prepared for tomorrow. Wait, I forgot. We gotta add some new sleeves, Lotta Body, and I'm just going to put some at the top, and then I'm just going to apply it. I'm gonna put my bonnet on, and I actually have a scarf that I'm gonna use to wrap around the top of my hair just to kind of make sure it's really flat, and then we'll be all ready for tomorrow. Alright, y'all can go now. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you guys next time.